how to add free shipping on Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly how you guys can add free shipping on Shopify quickly in just a few seconds. Simply open up Shopify, and once you are logged in into Shopify, click on the bottom left on settings, and then after that simply click on shipping and delivery at the bottom left. As soon as you guys click on that, now you guys can basically see your shipping options. Now from over here simply click on manage, and then after that, and now from over here you guys can simply add a rate over here, or you guys can simply add free delivery. You guys can change this to basically 0 as well, and then you will be able to just simply have free shipping. Now your shipping fee is going to be free, and of course you guys can add in a specific country if you want to, and of course you guys can add in any country that you want to charge a shipping fee for. After that, click on save, and now your shipping is going to be free. So that is how you guys can add in free shipping onto your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.